Hi, I'm Diane Collins. I'm the publisher of the New Orleans Real Producers, and we are at the Realtor Safety class, and we are with Myron and his team getting some tips on how to protect ourselves. We have a full house. It's been amazing so far. We're getting ready to do the interactive part, but everything that we've been learning has been very powerful. So stay tuned for more info on how to protect yourself when you're doing open houses and just situational awareness. This has been amazing.